Erase my back pain review. Relieve your back pain quickly. An example of the thousands of men and women's aspirations to erase back pain without more effort. Study a 10-minute daily exercise plan based upon a simple stretch that can rid you of chronic back pain for life. Do you wish to get rid of other chronic back pain diseases like tendency, stress, worry and weight gain? If the answer yes, then Erase My Back Pain produced by Emily Lark is the perfect yoga program for you. This is a wonderful stretch program that gives results so much carefully than you would ever expect. You will get the most effective core strengthening moves that you can do anytime, without even breaking a sweat. You will get the specific techniques that release tense, tight muscles and relieve pain immediately. And you are going to love the extraordinary stretches that can relieve back without surgery. Most people don't understand what it's like having chronic back pain. Some days it's worse than others, but the pain is always there. Plus you've probably seen all the specialists. And you're still looking for solutions. So you might be skeptical of Emily Lark's Erase My Back Pain system, a natural method for erasing your back pain and sciatica. Erase My Back Pain program has a daily schedule of 10 minutes that allows you to eliminate the harassment in the back of any future generation. This is a broader strategy that can be very helpful in finally determining your body and stopping it. This means a reconversion extension. It's created by Emily Lark and it is perfect for men and women who want to cure the annoying backaches that have been suffering for a long time. This program will enhance your complete health, posture, balance, mobility, mood, stress relief, and much more. This program releases the body's natural ability to adapt and feel youth, stronger every day. How does Erase My Back Pain work? Erase My Back Pain will help you to perform certain gentle movements in the exact scientific sequence to remove lines of body distribution and improve the back while optimizing and strengthening the base as regular workouts. This delicate area is the right key to the natural release of strength, flexibility, and vitality of your body. Everyone can do it. Remember that it starts with a striking piece and a 10-minute routine. Erase My Back Pain Relief consists of 3 parts of the video series that can improve your fitness. It naturally heals you and does not mention tablets, supplements or painkillers that have a detrimental effect. What will you learn from Erase My Back Pain? Special methods for muscle tightening and pain relief, allowing for many effective and rapid muscle movements. Excellent and healthy book with tips on reducing back and neck pain. Instructional videos that introduce you to some flexible exercises that naturally strengthen the underlying muscles and fight chronic back pain. Manual video free back to companion relaxes and soothes painful muscles. Simple core and cavity strengthening movements that you can do in 1 minute a day. A free checklist for pain control to reduce pain and stress. 10 minutes of healthy back support that you can do anywhere, anytime. You get precise methods that will release tense, strained muscles and release the pain immediately. Also, if you buy through my link in the description, you will receive a 75% offer on the program and bonuses like Back to Life Yoga, Bedtime Back Relief and Back to Life Guided Meditation. Erase My Back Pain is a highly recommended system. As described, Erase My Back Pain, the system not only helps to protect against back pain but also provides health benefits. This method will help you regain a normal life, rediscover your youthful energy and increase strength and vitality. All you need is a few days of simple exercises to get a solid foundation and fix your posture with the least amount of effort. It offers much more than just a low price. It will help you change your body in a way you have never felt comfortable with before. This system has a 60-day money-back guarantee. This program provides excellent results and is happy with your choice. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video so that many people can find a cure for their back pain.